In this episode, we're going to talk about how 3 hands are better than 2. What am I talking about? Let's jump into it and I'll explain. Welcome to this episode of Shop Talk by DIY3DTech.com. This episode, I want to share with you this new mount that I designed up for my electromagnetic tester. So in a prior episode, I introduced this to you guys, and I'll have the link for that episode down below if you're interested. So what this does is measures both electrical as well as magnetic fields. However, the problem I had before in the past episode is how do I hold this, especially how do I hold this in a certain position where I can measure things in a uniform way, because one of the things that obviously affects this is distance. So in the prior episode, I had the Tesla generator, which I still have here on the bench, and then I have now this mounted up in this clamp assembly. I designed this in Fusion 360, and I'll have this out on Thingiverse if you're interested. And basically what it does is it's got a 1/4-20 mount. I modeled up threads in Fusion 360, and basically what happens is this just slides in to this carrier, and these two fingers basically hold the unit in. So pretty simple, and then basically when you want to take it out, it just slides out. It's a pretty snug fit because I don't obviously want this to be dropped or anything like that. And again, we can just, with a little force, slide it back in here. And again, as you can see, it holds it in a nice uniform positioning for me to measure different things repeatably. So if I want to do several different tests and I want the distance to remain the same so I get a unified reading, this will do the job for me, and that's why I designed it up. So again, a little bit of a practical purpose to this, and hopefully you'll find it handy too if you have one of these or you want to pick up one of these and try some of these things yourself. So with that, Swag Shop's up there. Link to this will be down below, as well as the Thingiverse link, and subscribe will be over there, and we'll catch you in the next video where we design or do something else cool. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel.